Hi guys, I wanted to come back in today to show you my spreadsheet on the credit card that I paid off. This is Miss Tech Teach, or this is Angela at Miss Tech Teach, and I wanted to come back in just to show you how I'm updating my spreadsheet that goes along with my credit card that I just paid off today. The video of me paying off that and making that last payment of $42.39, that was on the previous video titled Payoff in a Pandemic. So that's just the first of a few videos because I still want to continue to pay off some more debt. So this is the spreadsheet, and today's date is the 5th. I'm sorry, I put the 2nd. Let me go back and put the 5th. And then today I paid off the total amount, which is $52.39. I could just type. All right, and then also, so once I put in this formula here in this box, it's going to pop up here in the formula box. So I'm just going to copy that formula. So here is 4239. Here's the formula, equal, which is the equal sign D15 minus C16. So it's going to take whatever's in D15 and minus it from C16, and then that's how I come up with the total. From here to here, and that's how we get 5239. So I'm just going to copy. Actually, if you click on this little blue box and drag it down, it copies the formula, and there's the formula right here. It's equal D16 minus D17. So whatever's in D16, which is D16, $52.39, minus C17, which is $52.39, and it does subtract that out. And so I'm going to put my reference number here. Control V to paste. And you see when it came in, it has a different font style and color. So this is the reference number here, and I want it to have the same formatting features as this particular cell as well. So I'm going to click here and use my format painter, or paint format I should say, and click back on the cell, and everything is the same as the previous cells that are in this column. So again, that's going to be size 17 Arial, and then size blue. Color blue, I'm sorry. And so with that as well, I would like to create the chart real quick and then also rename my spreadsheet. Yes, so I want to rename this particular spreadsheet. So at the bottom, you can see I have all these running tabs of different sheet names. So when I put in this sheet, it comes up as sheet 29, but I want to rename it. So I'm going to click on this little arrow, down arrow, and I'm going to go to rename. And I'm just going to rename the sheets because, of course, this is a Wells Fargo credit card, so I'm just going to type in Wells Fargo. So now I have named the sheet. I'm going to hit enter to name the sheet, and then I'm also going to change the color of the sheet. So I'm going to click on the arrow again, go up to change color, and just like if I wanted to make that color purple, just any color of your choice, or you can customize the color as well. So it doesn't give it a color, like it's down here at the very bottom part of the tab that you can see that it turns purple. Now my next thing is I would like to be able to insert a graph. So I wanted to make a descending graph so you could see the actual starting point and how much I paid to the zero balance and the dates as well. So I'm going to select here from cell B3. I'm going to hold down control from B3 to down to B17. And then I think I actually have to select this column as well because this is the actual amount of each payment. And then I'm going to come over and select this particular column as well, which is column D. And I think that's right. And once I do that, I'm going to press Insert and then Chart. And hopefully my chart comes up correctly. And actually that's not. So actually I'm going to stop this here, and I'm going to come back on a different video to show you how I put in the chart to go along with this. I just need to practice on something. So I'll be back. Bye.